this is the place where they can really skyrocket their business.
My entire success is because I'm a massive executor. I just take action. I don't think. Right? I jump in and we'll figure out things later.
So you change the game. I mean, it's you who have this art and science of shutting people's minds and bringing them into execution mode directly.
Hello Rajeshri, welcome to Creativers.
Thank you so much.
So, can you describe about who you are and what you do?
I am the principal of AVM Public School. We run a school at our hometown in Bihar, and this is boutique school. We lead the pack qualitatively there, and we have nurtured it like a baby. I come from a scholarly family, very academically inclined. Yeah, that's very brief introduction of mine.
What made you get started with your video creation journey?
Well, what happens is in the town where we operate, it's a very backward town in terms of per capita income. Most of the people are economically backward. They are not able to afford quality education. It's very difficult to convince them to choose a school that would really serve their interests. A school like us, they feel intimidated in taking admission in that school.
Right.
They have a lot of apprehensions. There is some kind of product and market mismatch. So we wanted to reach out to that mass who are deprived of quality education through our videos and break that barrier.
How many videos did you make in one single day? What's your highest videos done in one single day?
23.
What's your highest videos done in one single hour?
7.
About this entire video creation bootcamp, what made you decide to sign up for this program?
When I met you and attended your master class, it was evident in the first 2-3 minutes that I will be in the hands of a very competent, scholarly, well-read, highly experienced coach. And I didn't have even an iota of doubt that I will not learn anything. The learning was, writing was on the wall. I'm a person who is hungry for learning all the time. I mean, it was a very, very simple decision. I mean, I didn't have to do any pros and cons, any ROI analysis. The person in charge was so energetic, so dynamic that I could make out that this is the place for me.
Before this, have you made any videos?
Yeah, in my school, I have made videos for our parents on a very, what I would say, perfunctory basis, just giving some information through video, whichever we thought that video was the right medium. I would be sitting on my desk and making the video by switching on the selfie thing. So that was the very crude way of doing it. But what I learned here has been an entirely different experience, and I cannot thank you enough. It is mind-blowing, in fact.
How much time was it taking for you before to make one video?
At least 60 minutes.
At least 60 minutes.
Yeah.
Right.
I would rehearse, I would go through the script and, make the script my own and shoot a couple of times here and there, make changes. Though that time has compressed in your training a lot.
Right. So what's the best part about this training? What was your favorite moment in the entire training?
My favorite moment was not one but many. It's very difficult to pick and choose just one moment. Everything is superb, ma'am. Everything. You have very meticulously planned your studio, your entire designed the entire curriculum. Especially if you ask me to pick up one thing, I especially liked your module on theatrical arts. That was entirely at a different level. How to bring the elements of theatrical arts, especially the Navrasa elements in your video presentation, and apply them in the context of your own business, and that they are applicable.
Right.
The whole thing is that you have simplified it to such an extent. It is said that a Nobel Prize winner, unless he is able to make an 8-year-old student understand, he doesn't deserve a Nobel Prize. You have brought such a complicated thing into this particular thing and made it applicable, that I would pick that learning as the best learning, although everything I have learned is super.
What would you recommend to someone who's thinking of creating a video or who's wondering whether they should do videos? What would you recommend someone like that?
Ma'am, I would just tell them to close their eyes and sign up for your masterclass. This is the place where they can really skyrocket their business. But what your poster says, that is not a marketing gimmick, but that has truth in it. They can really, everyone can really skyrocket if they just follow your instruction and follow your system. You have perfected that system. Yeah, that shows. I mean, I am not boasting. That is not the thing, but it comes from the bottom of my heart. I have seen that.
So, did you have any challenging moments throughout these 3 days? And how were you able to overcome that? What was the mindset shift which helped you come out of that situation?
You being the force behind, you accelerated the entire, you brought the mind shift. In fact, when you were behind our back and so at such a pace, you didn't give us the liberty of consulting our mind. You shut our mind and put us into master of execution mode. So you changed the game. I mean, it's you who have this art and science of shutting people's minds and bringing them into execution mode directly.
You should get into my pace of doing things.
Yeah.
My entire success is because I'm a massive executor. I just take action. I don't think. Right? I jump in and will figure out things later. And most people sit down and think and think that they'll do something. I'm like, you don't have to do that.
Yeah.
Do it on the way. You will get better. There is no choice.
Yeah.
Like compare to your first video to the last video. Right? You tell me what is the difference that you have experienced.
Yeah. It has been invaluable lessons, not only in video making, but life skills and personal improvement also, I would say. Video making, I would just put in one silo. The rest of the things that I have learned at this age, I do not know how to thank you, ma'am. I do not know how to. I'm I have no words. I'm speechless.
Even before you started the session, you did not have a laptop. You ever used any equipment, gear. Right? Like imagine the technical stage you went to now. Do you think it's possible, this amount of transformation? Do you think?
Yeah, I gave up using laptop 10 years when I handed over everything to my school office. So I never felt the need. So my office manages all the IT things. I'm good with a mobile. Then after 10 years, when you said I have to have an old laptop, I actually went and bought a new laptop. Whatever knowledge I could refresh, I refreshed it, and you did the rest of the magic you did.
It's very rare to find people like you, Rajeshji, because you could have given 100 different reasons of not doing it.
Yes.
But you have not even given one reason. You were like one of the best students in the session.
Thank you.
Right? Like the way you picked up, you never hesitated for anything.
Yeah.
Right? From the moment you decided to go with it, you didn't give me any excuse. Oh, I don't have this. I don't know how to do this. You never said that.
Yeah.
You were always like, do.
Yeah.
Right? Like, that's a very, very unique character that you have. And I'm so looking forward to working with you.
Thank you so much.
And creating magic in your personal brand as well as your...
I will be honored and I will be grateful to God Almighty for putting me in your touch. In fact, that is the answer to your explanation of this, I read somewhere that you have to surround yourself with people who are smarter than you, better than you, more competent than you, who have had more exposure. So when I came in contact with you, I said, this is it. I have to do it, no matter what.
Brilliant. Like, I'm totally impressed by you only because, a lot of people think of doing it, but they want to do it. It's very strong, but they don't actually do it. Right? They're coming up with different reasons, excuses.
Yes.
For you, the moment I gave you a script, from the time you made the decision, it's almost the next day you had to come and shoot.
Yeah.
And you did not give up. You went that day and night and you finished all your scripts and you came. It was not even 1 day gap, right?
No, not a 1 day.
How did you manage that? Like, did you not have the fear, will I be even able to do it? How will I do all of these scripts? Did that question not come to your mind?
I have always been an achievement-oriented personality. I have achieved many things in spite of unsurmountable obstacles in my life. So I tapped into that experience of mine. I'm an achievement-oriented person.
Brilliant, and that's how I think you are the best student of this entire batch. Congratulations to you on success.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Being so committed, like no matter what was happening around you, you were doing what I told you to. Right? Your goal, your focus was always on finishing the task. And that's what is your biggest strength. And congratulations.